Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and first of all, thank you so much for 400 subscribers on this channel without even posting one single video. That's insane, guys. I love your support, and if you want to have more information for the giveaway, go to the community tab of my main channel. I posted there something. And yeah, let's move on to the topic of today's video. And the topic is why you should start a YouTube channel in 2020 right now. So yeah, let's move on. So the first and biggest reason why you should start a YouTube channel right now is because of all this corona stuff going on. Almost everyone is quarantined. Quarantined at home. So that means they have a lot more time and they spend a lot of time on watching movies, watching Netflix, whatever, playing games and watching YouTube videos. So, and that's the point. There are a lot more people on YouTube watching, so there is a way higher chance they can watch your videos because the audience is obviously bigger. Take this advantage and use it to grow and boost your channel from the beginning, because you have a very big potential audience now. And I don't know how often things like this will happen, so use the chance. The people have more time to watch, and that means it's better for your videos because you get longer view times and they watch more of your videos because they have obviously time and are not busy doing other stuff. So the second reason is almost the same but a little bit different. Not just they are bored and have more time, you are bored and have time as well. And why not take this time and invest it in a YouTube channel and maybe even potentially make money and be successful with this. So take this advantage that you have more time than normally, spend it in creating videos and growing your YouTube channel, or even starting a YouTube channel, or creating new ideas and whatever you want to post on your channel. You have now way more time to do this. And especially if you are very young and still go to school, why not just make YouTube besides school? Because you have plenty of time to do your school stuff and do YouTube as side job, or whatever it's called in English, I don't know. So yeah, I was in the same situation as the most of you guys are. I was at school and I had no idea what to do after school. I wasn't very motivated to make any work or anything. I just played video games all day and I had no idea what to do. So then I started YouTube for fun. I created my Launchpad channels and I created a lot of Launchpad videos. And now after just 2 years, I'm a full-time YouTuber and I don't have to go to work. And I know you can do it as well. So don't lose your chance and take this as your motivation and do it yourself. Doesn't matter what type of content you want to make. Instead of gaming or watching Netflix or whatever you do, just take your lazy ass and create something that could make your future way better and way more what you want to do. I mean, a lot of people want to make YouTube videos, obviously. So yeah, why not doing it? I mean, you can't lose anything. Just use it and make YouTube videos. The next reason why you should start right now is because it's easier than ever. I mean, you don't even need a camera or something. Your phone is already capable of recording very good quality video. You don't even need some good lighting. Just use sunlight or whatever light you have at home. Just use stuff that you have at home. You don't even need to invest a lot of money in this. You don't even need to buy a very expensive computer or Mac or whatever, because nowadays every computer or laptop is capable of editing videos of your phone, or even your phone can edit videos. I mean, you don't need to spend a ton of money in gear and stuff like this. And after time you can invest. I mean, if you have money and you want to invest, it's not a bad thing, you can do this, but it isn't necessary nowadays. And it's also very easy to learn how to speak to the camera, how to edit and stuff, because a ton of tutorials are free available on YouTube to how to learn to edit, how to set up the lights, how to record with a phone or a camera or whatever, how to speak to the camera. There are even channels that explain how to rank your video. So there's everything you need on YouTube for free, so use the free resources. The next thing is YouTube in general. I mean, the YouTube algorithm changed and it's way easier than before to grow as a small channel on YouTube, because YouTube now supports small creators. I don't know what they changed, because I have no idea. I mean, almost nobody has any idea how the YouTube algorithm really works, but it seems like it's way easier for small creators to gain way more views and subscribers nowadays than the last years. So yeah, use that advantage and create your videos. This video intends to be a motivation for you, so that you have reasons why you should start and don't stay at home doing nothing. Quarantined at home. So yeah, use your chance. I know I said it a lot of time in this video, but use it. I want to motivate you. I want to see you creating great stuff, and that's what I will try on this channel as well. I already have a successful channel, but now I try to make this one successful as well. So if you want to support me on my journey to make a successful channel here, subscribing would help a lot, and leaving a like would also help me a lot, and comment something to let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I almost forgot it. Follow me on Instagram, please. I need more followers there, and I will follow a lot of you guys back. So follow me on Instagram. It's here. Okay, have a good time, guys. Bye.